The following message has been given authorization from law officials. An emergency action notification has been issued for the following areas in the United States until further notice. This is prompted by the U.S. government, stating that there is an end of the world crisis happening. So for your safety, we advise you to lock all your windows, lock all doors, and go into an interior room until further notice. Continue to monitor media outlets or any news sources for the latest information updates. More information will be given as this crisis expands and becomes available.